Welcome once again to AutoCraze. We're here today. We're going to be introducing the brand new thing that came out in 2023. This one is the NEXT-GEN Ranger Raptor. We're going to be doing a review on this black one here. But in saying that, they have been super popular. We have been getting them done. We've done white ones, black ones, grey ones, blue ones, even red ones. But today you can clearly see down here at Silver Water, we're going to end the year with a bang. We've got that Ranger Raptor over there getting the full AutoCraze treatment. Set of wheels and tyres, the one and only, exclusive to AutoCraze, the HSP roller shutter. This time we're also going to be putting a Hamer sports bar, like the black one. Then we got this beautiful white one over here. It's also going to be a very loyal customer to us. It's getting himself a brand new set of wheels and tyres, the Nomad Sabbath in the black, wrapping it up with the 285 65 18s. We got customers from everywhere coming, even got customers from interstate. Have a look at this guy. Send me a photo of him. I just picked it up, clearly over there. Queensland, he's going to get it done. He's coming here to AutoCraze. Guys, check out this black Raptor Ranger we've done. We've done a whole heap of new things to it. It's exclusive, we've trialed it. Massive shout out to Gary for letting us borrow his car to test all this stuff. So guys, I hope you're excited because I'm super excited. Have a look at the Ranger Raptor Next Gen. Let's go.